Hello everyone, welcome to RT Shells for another video of Quilling Crown with Chala Karao. Let's go!
September we met, I can tell by your smile.
So for that we need scissors, quilling paper, mostly metallic, glue and comb. First make a small loop at one end of the quilling strip and put it in the quilling comb. Then measure the height as per you want. I have taken 7 spike longs. Now make it go one below the other as shown in the video and complete it till the end. So once done, remove it slowly and steadily from the quilling comb and make 2 pairs of it. Here we are making the second pair and we will go a bit fast as we have done it already. Now take another quilling strip and make a height of 5 spikes this time. And make it into a leaf comb quilling as shown in the video. Here we have attached one more strip. Now remove it slowly and steadily. So we will make another pair of 3, the same way we did before. Now we will attach the middle of the crown. Here we have already made the crown base by attaching ribbon to a headband. So once it gets dry, we'll take another one above it. So now stick the other two on both the sides of the crown after leaving some space to it. Now stick some shiny beads or pearls on the crown to make it look more beautiful. So our quilling crown is done. Look how beautiful it is. Try it yourself and let me know in the comments.
September we met.